U Superintendent ki Pulit ke East Khasi Hills uba Vivek Syiem. Hagas ngi baar jeng katayo uloong ba an penti kena bagajeng penlong ya ki election MDC bagan long kebayat bet bat kebakoi. Bat na kebentakan ni an perkengru e Jingpahara da kebabu igi Pulit hakeleng ki Jaka.
Well, the law and order situation is very much under control. It is peaceful right now, and we have no reports of any clash or conflict. As the days run by, we'll be getting additional force, and there'll be about 5 companies which will be deployed in East Khasi Hills in toto. That means including polling stations, vulnerable areas, critical areas, mobile patrols, strategic, tactical patrols. So that'll cover in the 5 companies. We actually strengthening our night nakas. That means night checking. There's a lot of intensified mobile patrolling and foot patrolling at night, and even during the day in certain pockets. So to ensure that things are peaceful, things are under control, that the public are safe. As of now, we're taking it day to day. There are a lot of public functions and campaigns which have started in different pockets of the district, and our people are manning those places. Things are very much okay. They're from us, our own state police only. They will be deployed as in, three platoons have already been there. So other platoons have already been there. So there'll be, for the polling stations, we'll be needing those many people. Wherever there's vulnerable and critical. How many? Vulnerable, there are about 34 polling stations which are vulnerable, and about 5 polling stations are critical.